Hey everyone, in this video we are going to build an app. In last video what we did is we designed an app using Claude Code, and I have explained the best way which I'm using personally to design an app using Claude Code. And now what we're going to do is we will turn that design into a app, complete full functional app. At the end of the video what we will learn is how to build an app using that design, and also I'll explain how to connect an MCP with the Claude Code, Supabase MCP actually, because that way we will be able to write queries within the Supabase and make it much more easy for the Claude Code to write queries, SQL queries in the Supabase and make it run easy quickly. So before touching everything, what we're gonna do is I'll explain. Like the app will be on Flutter, and because it's simple to build it on Flutter. Other platforms are also good, like if you want to build it on React Native, if you want to build it on React Native, it's also good, and if you want to build on other frameworks, it's also really good. But let's go with Flutter as of now. So here is the design, the last time we have built. So in this design we have a really simple app with the to-do list. Like we have a to-do list app, and we can it's really simple app. We can create new to-do list, and then let's build it with the Flutter and the way like that I used to. And I'm really telling you, this way you can build an app really quickly. So I'm running Claude Code. Before going to build anything, what we're gonna do is we will activate Brainstorm plugin. Brainstorm superpower, and then we are giving it like the requirements. Let's make it a little bit bigger for you so that you can see it everything properly. So okay, so here is a prompt which I have given, and also I am giving it a path. Here is the design from which you can learn, and to-do list Flutter code. Here we will build an app for like Flutter code. So here will be the Flutter code. So what we have said is I have a Flutter to-do list app design in the folder, and the extra instructions like I have given. So it's kind of simple, really prompt, really simple prompt which I have given it to it. And now let's work on it to get it done with the simple really steps. And in the meantime, what I can teach you is I can teach you how to connect an MCP with the Claude Code. So now we have this project, and we have this connect, and here we have an option to connect an MCP. And if we want to give it read-only access, then we can change it from there. Even we can make it, give it all the access we want to give. So as of now, according to my understanding, I'm giving it an all of the access so that it will be easy for me to go ahead with it. So So this is the MCP like link. It will ask me for the authentication as well. I can do it in another browser, but let's wait for it so that we can have first everything set up, and then look, it's asking a question. What we're gonna do is we will click on escape, and we will give it the MCP. So now it's adding Supabase MCP directly, and the trick here is because we have to reload the Supabase, we have to reload the Claude conversational history, and I'll show you how to reload it so that it can get all of the new MCPs attached with it. So now here it's adding an MCP. It's within that folder because the path is showing me desktop app design.json. Restart. So what we're gonna do now is to restart the Claude. You will press Ctrl and C. So Ctrl C will give us the Claude code, and we will resume it, and also will say minus dangerously skip permissions, so that it can, like, it will not ask me again for the permissions. So now I can say Claude is restarted. Go ahead. So now it's looking for the Supabase tool, what are available within that, so that it can help us write. So let's authorize MCP. We will click on MCP, and then we'll re-authenticate Supabase MCP. It will redirect us to the Chrome here. Let's do it. We will click /MCP and then that authenticate. It will open Chrome. Now it has opened Chrome, and I'm authorizing it. Authorization is done. I don't need it anymore. I just need to click done, and now I can say go ahead. It's taking everything by its own from Supabase. So here is Supabase, and it has this database over here. If you want to see detail, it's Control O, and you will see everything what's going on in the behind of thinking. And if you want to see more detail, then you will just like Control E to see more detailed view of it. So it's saying like we don't have any tables, so we don't need any migration as of now. So it's taking a publisher key from Supabase and also database URL. I'm giving it a reminder like you need to build an app in this folder, so I'm giving it this path again. Okay, so now it's building app. Here is all of the files. It's doing testing as well. Here is the test folder. So let's give it a time and let it be done, because we have given it everything we need it for an app. Look at this, it's wiring up. Like, we have different files all over the places, and now it's wiring up it properly. In the meantime, let's look at the database as well. Look what we got. We have tables like database, and we have tables here. Here is our table, and I haven't run a single query in the database, all done by Claude automatically. Okay, so with just a few commands, our app is now ready. Let's see how it looks like on simulator. To turn it on, like to run it, what I used to do is I am opening a new browser, new cursor, and then I'm gonna open terminal. So first we will open simulator, and Flutter run. Let's see the app is built or not. Is there any bug? Because what we did is we just wrote everything, we give it a design, and now we have an app ready here. Okay, let's see. Okay, no need to give a due date, but let's test it. Okay, one of our tasks is added. Now let's add another one. Another one task. And due date is this. Da-da-da. Amazing, man. And even this is simple app is ready within a few minutes. Like, it took only 20 minutes to build this app, and even it's working. Also, it has a database. It's amazing, man. So takeaway from this video is what you need to do before building any app. You need to design it, brainstorm on it, and build the workflow, like how the app will be, and then after that you can follow the step which I have given you in this video. That way you can build an app really easily. In the next video I'll show you how to set up the simulator from zero. Like, it's really easy, but I'll tell you how to set it up step by step. Everything from today is linked below. The GitHub repo is also given there so that you can get and see the app. If this helped you, really drop a like below so that I can share more content like this with you.